Let's go over how to create a group in Digital ReeL. Creating a group is how you assign users to a particular data set within your Digital ReeL application. And as an admin, you will have tabs at the top of your application that are not available to standard users. So to create a group, you click on the Group tab, and then from here, click Add Group. And then you're going to name the group however you want to name it. Let's pretend that you had a confidential data set within your application. You only want certain users to be able to access this particular data set that is confidential. So let's just name it for the sake of this, confidential test. Description, you can add one if you want, you don't have to. IP filter is an IP address lock mechanism, which basically only allows access from a particular IP address or IP address range. For this instance, we'll leave it as no. And then expire date, you can set an expire date if you want the group to expire and prevent access after a certain amount of time. For this case, again, we will leave it as empty. Now I create the group, and I see I have my group here.